Bonjour tout le monde. I told you that I will make you a little return about the driving in the electric car. And what we rent, it's a Skoda Enyaq 80X. And I saw that on the market it's valued brand new. The sticker price, it's about 60,000 euro. And honestly, it's crazy. It's crazy because it's useless. I know some of you will disagree. It's normal. For us, middle class, it's useless because it's too big for what it is, and you cannot use as it was made for. It's a family car pretending 5 seats. It's a really huge car. But the range here in Sweden is about 320 kilometers with a 100% battery. So 320 kilometers, you cannot do anything because you must to think also that at about 100 kilometers, you have to think about to charge the car because you will get stressed if you're going under. The car itself, it's perfect, but it's a 60,000 car, 60,000 car. It must be perfect, it must be good. Oh, we have everything, the gadget, the electronic, the self-driving, the big computer, everything is okay, but it's the minimum you must to ask for a family car at 60,000. Well, you see, actually, we cross the village. There is limitation 30. She adjusts alone to the limitation. She drives herself, but you must to touch every 15 seconds the steering wheel. Normal, but honestly, is it really useful? Or is it a gadget for adults? For me, it's a toy for adults, for geeks who want to enjoy the new technology. There's no problem for that, but it's not a car for us adults with who get already the 50 or the 60s or the 40s with kids and etc. I think you have more time to spend to manage your life than to manage a car, but it's my opinion. Well, it's our opinion, and me, we think that it's not a good car for the daily life we have, us European middle class. And honestly, the Volvo we bought, it's a V73 series with the E85 bioethanol. We paid 5,000 euro. She's not yet 200,000 kilometers. 10% of the price of this car. Regarding the price, if we compare the price regarding the use we will have, there's no debate. For me, this car, and for my wife also, it's absolutely useless. It's just a toy for rich adult or for geek adults. Well, to finish my feedback about electric cars, as you can see, we still have 25% of battery to charge and we need 45 minutes. So 45 minutes, it's okay to drink a coffee, to talk a little. That's good if you're in holidays, but if you are on the normal life, it's not, you cannot do that, you cannot. I'm smiling because my wife said that kind of car, it's for those who want to be busy. sorry for those who will watch this video and who own electric cars, but it's true. You need to, honestly, to use a car like this one daily, you need to have a house. So it means a house, it means a parking inside the house and a charging point. And you need also to travel always, to have always the same kind of travel. You go to work, you come back to home, you bring the kid to school, you go to supermarket. You know already what kind of travel you have to do, and what kind of travel you will do daily, monthly, and etc., etc., etc. But if you expect to cross the country, any country, Sweden, France, and Sweden, it's really better because compared to us in France, the charging points are twice, maybe more than in France. So if you expect to cross the country with that kind of car, I wish you good luck. I wish you good luck.